Spring Miracle by Thompson Emate, read by Thompson Emate. She wondered how they had come to be in such a beautiful garden. She had never seen anything like it before. The mulberry trees and butterflies were truly breathtaking. Her son took his hand off hers and ran into the garden, smiling as he chased the butterflies. Mom, come along. Let's see where the butterflies will lead us, he called out. That was the second wonder. She ran to catch up with her son, tears welling up in her eyes. Suddenly she woke up and sat up straight. She had fallen asleep on the couch, which was unusual for her. She had a lot to do before her children returned from school. As she thought about the dream, she hurried to the kitchen and took the pie out of the oven. No sooner had she placed the pie on the counter than she heard the sound of the bus horn. Glancing at her watch, she realized it was time for Caleb to come home from school. Quickly, she set the pie aside, removed her apron, and rushed to the door. Just as she reached the last step, her son stepped off the bus and bounded toward her. She couldn't believe her eyes. As he embraced her, she looked at him with wide eyes, and he smiled. Mom, are you okay? He asked. She nodded. Do you realize you are different? Do you know you ran to me? Do you know you just spoke to me? She thought, as tears streamed down her eyes.